Hello, my name is Ishita Gadle. I'm a student at IIPS DAVV Indore and I will be discussing with you cloud security design principle. The first principle is least privilege. It tells us that an individual, process, or other type of entity should be given the minimum privileges and resources for the minimum period of time required to complete the task. The next one is separation of duties. Separation of duties require the completion of a specified sensitive activity or access to sensitive objects is dependent on the satisfaction of plurality of conditions. The third is defense in depth. Defense in depth is the application of multiple layers of protection wherein the subsequent layer will provide protection if a previous layer is breached. Fourth is fail-safe. Fail-safe means that if a cloud system fails, it should fail to a state in which the security of the system and its data is not compromised. Fifth one is economy of mechanism. It promotes the simple and comprehensible design and implementation of protection mechanism so that unintended access paths do not exist or can be readily identified and eliminated. The next is complete mediation. Each access request must undergo a secure authorization process starting with identifying the requesting entity, verifying the request integrity, and applying the necessary authorization checks. Additionally, previously approved requests by some entity should be periodically reviewed to ensure ongoing compliance and security. The seventh one is open design, exposing the algorithm to review and study by experts at large while keeping the encryption key secret leads to a stronger algorithm. The eighth one is least common mechanism. To minimize the risk of unauthorized information exchange, it's recommended that the protection mechanism shared across multiple users be limited. Shared access paths can unintentionally transfer data, creating convert channels, and it reduces the sharing of common security measures, enhancing security. Psychological acceptability. Psychological acceptability refers to the ease of use and the user interfaces that controls and interacts with the cloud access control mechanism. The 10th one is weakest link. Any weak link like poor configuration or untrained users can lead to breaches, highlighting the need for robust security across all cloud components. The last one is leveraging existing components to partition the system into dependent subunits. Then, if a security mechanism is penetrated for one subunit, it will not affect the other subunits. Now, in the next video, we will be discussing few MCQs related to this topic.